So without a doubt, one of the best ways to earn some extra cash on a recurring basis is instant recall. I've been talking about this for a while, and a lot of people have never heard of instant recall yet. So if you are somebody looking for some extra cash, you into referral marketing, affiliate marketing, you need to check out instant recall. Now, what makes instant recall so dope is that they recently added, right, a crypto opportunity. So not only can you earn real money from the instant recall opportunity, you can now earn crypto. All right, so if you always wanted to get into crypto, you've been thinking about crypto, this is the perfect opportunity to get started. All right, so when it comes to instant recall, you're gonna earn actual cash for every person that you refer to instant recall, and they decide to become a data seller, which is $4 a month to become a data seller. You're gonna earn a commission off of that, right? But even the people that you bring into instant recall, even if they don't decide to upgrade and become a data seller with instant recall, you're still gonna earn crypto, right? So just by referring people to instant recall, you're going to earn crypto, period. Now you actually can earn cash if your referrals decide to become a data seller, right? You're gonna earn a monthly recurring income. Now, forget me talking about it. They just dropped a new promotional video. I'm about to throw it to you right now. Watch this video, and I'm sure you're gonna wanna get started with this opportunity. You already know all you gotta do is click that link in the description, all right? And when you do, the next step is take action.